badai hard b'omuyimbi Shiba Kalungi bayite munangate ba Shiba Holics leero bamukyaliddeko munangate mu makage muganda wange bazze munangate nezi hati okubadde munangate Amilo so ngenda kubeera nga mbikutuusaako maaso awo kosaate omuyimbi Spice Diana kosaate ne ba Spice Gadgets nabo munangate babadde bamusazeko yeeyongedde munangate okubeera nga akuma munangate omuliro ng'agenda kubeera ng'ayirizinga munangate oluyimba lwe olupya bamute Jaminati nsinza ku Jaminati Yugi Shiba Kalungi ng'ali munangate makage abadde ali awo n'afuna munangate abagenyi bano munangate badai hard be bava munangate ku kya die hard kwegamba ne basukkuluma bayite munangate ba Shiba Holics so babadde bamukyaliddeko bazze munangate n'ebimu bye babadde munangate beetisse wabula nga kwe kubadde ne ati oba munangate ekifaananyi nga mulimu Amiru kosaati ne Mami.
You guys keep me going, you know that, right? Yeah. I'm here, but I want to go in my bedroom and get all my gifts and then cry when you guys are here. I am strong, I'm not going to cry. Till later.
Enda kherukundo rugogoma the doctor love you when not manya ndo harijo haturinta mama.
At least all my gifts.
Say I want you to enjoy machana. What? Chemba.
My baby. Now these days, Shibaholics forgot about me. It's all about Baba. But I love it. I love it. Shibaholics remembered me. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. As Shibaholics, we are sorry that you created a life and had to go through surgery. That's superhero level. We are so proud of you. So much, guys. You guys keep me going. You know that, right? Yeah. I'm here, but I want to go in my bedroom and get all my gifts and then cry when you guys are here. So now I'm acting tough, like you say. Strong. Bold. I am strong. I'm not going to cry. Till later. Now I feel like I want to hug all of you. I can't wait to see you. Later, the case you cost like a few months. 1, 2, 3, 4. So much. Thank you for this beautiful message. See, I want you to enjoy my China. Okay, listen. Now I miss my baby.
Bambi banyumizaamuko muganda wange yonna gye bigwedde bwati munangate Shiba Kalungi kosaati ne ba Shiba Holics so nga nkongeddeyoko omuyimbi munangate Spice Diana kosaate ne ba die hard be bayite munangate ba Spice Gadgets so Spice Diana essaawa yonna agenda kubeera ng'ayirizinga munangate oluyimba lwe olupya wabula ekibadde mu katambi kano kubadde kusaakaaza okulaba nga oluyimba finally kiri kitya ba Spice Gadgets.
Finally. Somebody say finally. So today I'm having my photo shoot. I'm working with the jacket water, keeping me all like you know, spiced up the entire shoot. Kunywa mazimbenga nsinzira mu you guys njagala mpulenga nzina ndi just smooth eddoboozi nga you understand so come with me, let's get ready. Yes, okay, ciao. Finally, I'm the artist,
I'm the hairdresser, I'm the hairstylist.
Finally, this is Kai's Diva collection on the outfits.
Finally, this is Sammy Touch, the #1 around town.
Okay. So guys, finally, you get it. If you don't get it, just stay tuned, okay? Finally. So we are never media on the lens. On the camera. Ali Visuals.
Muganda wange bwati munangate bwabadde akakasa kw'ossa ate ne ba Spice Gadgets. So mu katambi ako omuyimbi mwonna nga te Spice Diana abadde n'amazzi mwonna nga te aga Spice. So obutasuba mwonna nga te update yonna making sure nti no osubscribinga ebisigadde just bitwekere tujja kubeera nga tukuwa update gwe kasita obeera ng'osubscribinze.